Union Home Minister Amit Shah is a rare politician. With nearly half a century of experience, he has led the robust approach under Prime Minister Narendra Modi in tackling India's internal security challenges. He has notched up key wins, such as bringing left-wing extremism, once termed the biggest threat to internal security, to its knees, integrating Northeast insurgent groups into the mainstream, overseeing the abrogation of Article 370 in Jammu and Kashmir, and efforts to dismantle the terror ecosystem, and initiating reforms in the criminal justice system. Today, Union Home Minister Amit Shah is spearheading Prime Minister Modi's National Security First approach to establish a new pillar of internal security within the Union Home Ministry, India's first cyber shield, to protect several families defrauded in cyberspace, as rapid digitization brings new vulnerabilities. Shah's grasp of internal security has led him to initiate a unified national response, connecting citizens, law enforcement agencies, and experts under a single framework. At the core of this strategy is a mechanism to help states track cyber fraud and bring relief to the common man. He recognizes that a key concern for the common man today is defeating cyber fraudsters and adversaries while embracing technology and innovation. Shah acknowledges that many cyber crimes have transnational dimensions. He is working closely with global law enforcement agencies, cybersecurity organizations, and intelligence networks to trace the origins of attacks and impose consequences. The objective is deterrence, ensuring that India is no longer seen as an easy or anonymous target. We are reinforcing national sovereignty in the virtual world, says Shah, ensuring that cybercrime is addressed not merely as a technical or policing issue, but as a direct threat to India's internal and economic security. As criminals and hostile countries exploit cyberspace to defraud citizens, steal intellectual property, compromise networks, and endanger critical infrastructure, the challenges are immense, but the Union Home Minister remains confident. We are building the framework for a safer, more resilient, and truly sovereign digital future, he says. Read the latest issue of the week for Union Home Minister Amit Shah's exclusive interview on building India's first cyber crime shield.